Welcome to Tech Beads. In this video, we'll be showcasing some of the coolest gadgets for self-defense that you should definitely check out. From tactical pens to compact knives, we've got it all covered. Don't forget to subscribe to help me make better content for you. Let's dive in. The Glock 19 pistol, which was first introduced in 1988 and is still in use by law enforcement officers, can now be replicated with a 3D printer. The innovative technology allows for easy customization of the weapon, as well as modifications to the original design. A video demonstrating a project called Banana Standard showcases various separately printed components, including frames and guns assembled almost entirely from 3D printed parts. Although the white version withstood more than 200 shots and the yellow one over 100, the tests can be dangerous and the author cautions viewers to be careful. As such, the author does not share the files for printing. Presenting a miniature version of the famous Glock 17 pistol, which can be found as a souvenir almost anywhere. The quality and functionality of these miniature guns may vary depending on the price and the level of craftsmanship. Some versions come with detachable magazines and bolts, and while they are not designed to be fired, some YouTubers claim that it is possible to modify them. These miniature pistols come in various price ranges, starting from as low as $8.50. The miniature Glock 17 in question is 3.2 inches long and comes with 10 pieces, making it a great gift for gun enthusiasts. Introducing the Bomberco B-2 Dog Tag, a modern twist on a traditional military identification tag. While these dog tags have typically been used to carry identification numbers and other pertinent information, the Bomberco B-2 offers something extra. For $85, customers can purchase a key-size tag with a 1-inch removable blade inside. Weighing less than 2 ounces, this is the lightest steel tactical knife in the world, according to the creators. Additionally, the product comes with a lifetime warranty. If anything breaks, customers can return their purchase for a free replacement. The company has already raised over $82,000 on Kickstarter, which indicates there are plenty of people eager to get their hands on this innovative product. The knife you're looking at is a karambit, which is easily recognizable by its shape that allows for a reverse grip. Karambits are believed to have originated in West Sumatra, and some theories suggest that they were inspired by the claws and fangs of tigers. This particular model was designed by Joe Caswell, an innovative and versatile knife designer. The knife's unique kinematic technology makes it both safe and comfortable to carry, while also allowing for quick deployment of the blade using your thumb. Weighing in at 6 ounces and with a blade length of 2.4 inches, this karambit costs $200 and comes with a lifetime warranty. Looking to get out of handcuffs? You don't need to be a professional to do so. For just $30, the Escape Stick is a simple and effective tool that can be used in a variety of situations. Equipped with a diamond saw and a plastic case, it can cut through anything from plastic zip ties to steel shackles. Weighing only 0.14 ounces and measuring 3 inches, it can be easily concealed under clothing or in shoes. This potentially life-saving tool is perfect for undercover operatives, prepared civilians traveling in hostile regions, or anyone who may need to quickly escape from unlawful custody. Introducing the Firestorm JPX 4-shot compact pepper spray gun, an advanced and impressive pepper spray that comes with a price tag of $150. This remarkable device boasts a range of up to 23 feet and is effective in all weather conditions. It can hold up to 4 cartridges at a time, each of which contains a special compound that can effectively stop an attacker without causing them any irreparable harm. The gun is made with a combination of metal and plastic, and some versions even come with a built-in laser sight. It is an excellent tool for self-defense, according to the seller. However, it is important to note that the weapon weighs 12 ounces and is 7.23 inches long, so to catch an attacker by surprise, you will have to be resourceful. Why settle for something ordinary when you can own something extraordinary? Feast your eyes on this folding combat axe, crafted by a skilled artisan hailing from Australia. If you're a regular viewer of our channel, you might recall his previous masterpiece, a concealed knife that resembles the iconic weapon from Assassin's Creed. This folding axe was specifically made for one of his followers and boasts a convenient one-handed folding mechanism. It comes with a scabbard that features a belt clip system, ensuring that it's always within reach. Although the model is currently made of plastic, commenters suggest that a metal version would be more popular, especially among military personnel, firefighters, and police. Are you tempted to get one? Introducing Madbike gloves, an excellent tactical glove option for motorcyclists, fitness enthusiasts, cyclists, and individuals looking to enhance their self-defense capabilities. For only $12, the gloves come with alloy steel inserts, anti-slip silicone coating on the palms, breathable fabric, and Velcro for easy adjustments at the wrist. The gloves are also designed to reduce arm fatigue while riding motorcycles or bikes, making them an even more attractive option. Additionally, the gloves are fingerless, which allows you to use your smartphone without taking them off. The gloves also feature a special insert on the index finger. If you're into backpacking, compactness and versatility are key when it comes to your gear. This is where mini knives like the ones in this series come in handy. They're so convenient that some websites even categorize them under camping and hiking. Each knife in the series is equipped with paracord and other gadgets like a compass, a whistle, a glass breaker, and a watch. The paracord is over 11 feet long and can be used for a variety of tasks, from replacing a broken shoelace to setting up your tent. The knife and sheath can be carried separately as a keychain, too. Plus, the models come in a range of colors, priced between $7 to $11. An additional option for concealed carry is a knife that is integrated into a belt buckle. The author of the piece mentions that the handle is comfortable, and there are two different models available, folding and monolithic. The knife is held firmly in place by a locking system but can be removed with a single movement. Additionally, the design of the belt is very attractive and can be worn to formal events or parties. Unfortunately, the author's website is currently unavailable, so the price of the product is unknown. How much are you willing to pay for it? What makes the Shock knife unique? It boasts a feature that is reminiscent of a video game, an electric attack. Essentially, it is a stun gun that has been integrated into the knife's unconventional design. Simply touching an opponent with any part of the blade will immobilize them. Additionally, the stun gun emits a distinct sound that can potentially scare off an intruder and prevent a physical altercation. The knife also features a space for a pair of diodes, allowing it to be used as a flashlight. A charging cable and holster are included with the purchase of the knife, and it is priced at $90 for the set. Are you aware of the countries with the highest crime rates? A global database from early 2022 showed that Venezuela, Papua New Guinea, and Afghanistan were the top 3. However, numerous other countries also experience comparable problems. Therefore, a non-lethal self-defense weapon that is simple, affordable, and effective can become increasingly popular. This weapon is capable of shooting pepper spray pellets. It can hold 6 pellets in the magazine and uses standard 0.3 or 0.4 ounce CO2 cartridges, with a firing range of 45 to 60 feet. Its cost is approximately $100. What is your opinion on the effectiveness of light in self-defense? Let us conduct a small experiment. If you are not ready or sensitive to light, please close your eyes or skip ahead in the video. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! The creators of a device called the Dazzeler claim that their gadget is much more powerful. It can cause temporary blindness and disorientation through its flashing lights, which can be a useful tool in self-defense. The gadget weighs only 3 ounces, fits comfortably in the hand, and is not classified as a weapon. It also looks like a flashlight, which can add an element of surprise. The device has a fully charged battery that can provide 3 hours of continuous use and can emit 15 flashes per second. However, the contraption is almost useless in the daytime and only works in confined spaces, such as subway cars. Unfortunately, things did not go well for the creators on Kickstarter. Each model costs $50, and they only raised $525, which is far below their projected goal of $22,000. The Wuben E62 is a versatile tactical pen that you can carry with you every day. It's a compact tool that features a glass breaker, flashlight, knife, and of course, a pen. Despite having so many functions, it weighs only 1.6 ounces, which is less than a cone of ice cream. The model comes with a surgical blade number 11, which is easy to replace and purchase. It can withstand a 5-foot drop and has an IP68 rating, which means that it can be submerged in water up to a depth of 6.7 feet for an hour. The rechargeable battery lasts for 15 hours, and the flashlight has different modes that allow you to be more visible on the road or find objects quickly in the bushes. All these features come at a reasonable price of $30.